Have you ever noticed how some people only realize your value once you're no longer available? Women, too, feel the loss, but only after you're truly gone. Why does this happen? Why does a woman only start missing you after you've walked away? Stay with me, because today we're diving deep into the psychology behind loss, attraction, and how Stoicism can make you truly unforgettable. Tisi Kichuan 1. Women and the Psychology of Loss. Here's a truth most men don't understand. Women process emotions differently. Unlike men, who often feel the loss immediately, women tend to experience it in waves. At first, she feels relief, freedom, but as time passes, something shifts. The memories start creeping in. The moments she took for granted suddenly become precious. The attention, the presence, the masculine energy. You were a part of her routine, her stability. And now, you're gone. Tisi Kishan 2. The power of walking away. Most men beg, chase, or try to prove their worth. But a Stoic man, he simply disappears. No explanations, no pleading, just quiet, confident absence. And that is powerful. Women are drawn to certainty, but they're haunted by uncertainty. When you walk away with grace and purpose, you trigger something deep inside her: curiosity, regret, even longing. She wonders, did I make the right choice? And the more she wonders, the more she feels the loss. Hisi C2ion 3. Stoic Secrets to Becoming Unforgettable. The key is this: never let a woman be the center of your world. Instead, build a life so powerful that she feels the loss when you're not in it. Here's how. Master emotional control. Don't react. Stay composed. Elevate your value. Focus on growth, purpose, and discipline. Disappear with dignity. No need for revenge or games. Just be gone. And that's when it happens. She starts watching, wondering, maybe even reaching out. But by then, you'll be a different man. Stronger, wiser, and no longer waiting. Women QROC is as lowest differently than men. Here's a truth most men don't realize. When a breakup happens, men and women feel it differently. Men feel the pain instantly. Women feel relief first, but later they crash. At first, she enjoys her freedom. She thinks, I can do better. He'll come back begging. But then, something shifts. She starts remembering the little things. The way you looked at her, the way you made her feel safe, the way you needed her, but she shows her. And that's when it hits her. The loss isn't about you. It's about the man she let go. The power of silent sea and wall a king away. Most men make one fatal mistake. They beg, they chase, they try to explain their worth. But a Stoic man, he does the exact opposite. He doesn't explain. He doesn't argue. He just disappears. And nothing is more powerful than a man who is unbothered. See, women are drawn to certainty, but they're haunted by uncertainty. The moment she realizes you're truly gone, you become the mystery she can't solve. And trust me, a woman's mind is her own worst enemy when she starts wondering about you. How to make her feel the loss deeply. So how do you make a woman feel the loss, not just for a moment, but permanently? 1. Cut off all contact. No texts. No social media likes. Nothing. 2. Upgrade yourself. Hit the gym. Dress better. Be seen improving. 3. Let her see you thriving. Not out of spite, but because you value yourself. That is when the regret sinks in. That is when she feels the loss. Because now, she sees you as the man she never truly appreciated. Wakin ishishi kelmis back. What should you do? The message always comes. Sometimes after weeks, sometimes after months. But the question is, should you take her back? The truth, it doesn't matter. Because by then, you're already a different man. Stronger, wiser, and no longer waiting. Women's tiny line. When the relationship ends, women often experience a temporary relief. They tell themselves they're better off. They think they can handle it. But there's something deeper happening, something subconscious. This relief fades because they know deep down that your absence is a void. And voids always pull us back in, don't they? This is when the reality hits. You weren't just another man. You were her stability, her anchor. And now, she's drifting. The truth is, she doesn't miss you just because you left. She misses what you represented: confidence, presence, control, and emotional strength. The unexpected AMPCT of your ABCE. Here's the thing most men don't get. Your absence isn't just physical. It's emotional. It's psychological. A Stoic man doesn't just disappear from her life physically. He removes his emotional energy, his emotional investments. And that, my friend, is the key. Why does it matter? Because when you pull away with such calm and control, you make her feel the absence of everything you were to her. It creates space in her mind, a space she can't ignore. She wonders, what is he doing? Is he thinking of me? Why haven't I heard from him? And the longer this goes on, the more the feeling of loss intensifies. The Stoic secret to turning her illusions into attraction. The Stoic knows that the secret to making her feel the loss is simple. Focus on yourself. Focus on growth, on becoming a better version of yourself. You can't force attraction, but you can trigger it through absence and self-improvement. When she sees you thriving without her, she sees you as a man of value, a man who doesn't need her, but chooses to have her in his life. And here's the psychological twist. Now, her mind starts to race. Why is he doing so well without me? She starts seeing what she lost, not just emotionally, but in terms of status, attraction, and value. This is the moment of realization, the regret, the longing. She wants to know if she can win you back. The final test. When she comes back, what do you do? And then it happens. She reaches out. The text comes. The phone call rings. You've been on her mind, and now she wants you back. But here's the Stoic test. Do you go back, or do you keep walking your path? The Stoic man knows that his worth is not determined by her validation. He's built a life, a purpose, a mission that is far greater than any woman. And that is the true power of absence. By the time she comes back, you've already leveled up. You're no longer the same man she left. And that is your strength. The real power, self-worth, and emotional control. You see, the real power isn't in what she feels when you're gone. It's in what you feel when she returns. A Stoic man never chases. He attracts. He doesn't need validation. He needs purpose. Remember, the moment you stop chasing is the moment she starts realizing what she lost. She feels the loss only after you're gone. But by then, will you even care? If you found value in this video, hit the like button and share this with anyone who needs to hear it. Don't forget to comment below and let me know. Have you experienced this? When did they realize your value after you walked away? Stay stoic, stay strong, and always remember, you are the prize.